Good afternoon. Today we're going to do a unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Plus. There you go. So I've already took it out of cardboard thing. So you've got a nice sleek box. It basically shows you exactly what you're going to get inside. Now I've not opened it up. So this is a first. Most people that's got iPhones will have seen an unboxing of an iPhone before. But this is Damp Sam's unboxing. So you've got your cellophane. You can use that for all sorts. For wrapping some dodgy fragrances back up. So this is the box. I think I've showed you it. So out you go, don't you know? These boxes are beautiful. Nice embossed iPhone on side. This bit's all embossed. It shows you new phone. Just packaging is just amazing. Stick that there. And there it is. Old iPhone Harry has been on phone. Oh, and we've got all this stuff. So you got your sleek new iPhone, which I've had in grey. These are all raised up. You got your plastic protection. It feels heavier than this one, which is my other iPhone, my iPhone 8 Plus. It's a lot heavier. I've already seen a drop test on it as well, which is it can take some hammer, apparently. So I think that's just like a hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you. Yeah, hello. So you got your, I don't know what you call that, your prodder for opening your SIM card drawer. You've got your stickers, obligatory stickers. Now, I don't know what people normally do with these. I give mine to kids. I don't know what they put them on. I don't know whether you're supposed to put it on phone or not, but I've never put mine on. So I think this tells you quick setup. Welcome to iPhone, quick setup stuff. Plug socket thing. That's all nicely wrapped. You can use that for, I don't know, like Easter or something. Like you just stick it, you've got like your own cross. If you're going to have a tattoo, you could use it as a stencil for a Celtic cross, or just a watch. I think subliminally, this is telling you to get iPhone watch, isn't it? You tuck them under, like that. Yeah, buy the iPhone watch. So yeah, so this is, let's have a look. Wow, look at this. That's quality. So it's a flick plug. In case you need to, in case you get mugged or something. You could pull your plug out really quick. Quality that. I'm liking that. Obviously that plugs into something. I'm sure. Yeah, there they are. They're in here. Oh, beautifully packaged. Beautiful. Bloody beautiful. So this says to plug my iPhone out in. What? Actually. Oh, I don't know. It's a different charger. So that's smaller. I think this is fast charger, isn't it? Because you get an iPhone plug, this is fast charger. So that's not going to go into the thing. But I have got one of them chargers where you just put it down like that, sit it down. I'll have to find out whether it charges on that. And I think they come already charged. So shall we have a look? I did open it up. Right, so it's got to be that one, isn't it? No. No. It's got to have a SIM card in though, hasn't it? What is it? It should just come on. No, not top. I think I'm going to have to charge it. Definitely. There's a little button there. Oh, it's that sound button. Right, so I'm going to have to charge it, I think. It's not coming on. I was surprised about that, because normally these come with... Other phones have always come with a bit of charge on them. That must be straight from factory. So these are ear... Oh, no, they're not. I feel robbed. I thought they were earbud ones. But they're not. They're just common garden ones. I think you must have to buy earbud ones. Right, so I think that's about it. Packaging undone. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if I've told you out new. But I'm going to get this set up because kids are getting me other phone. So they can like on TikTok. It's beautiful. I'd like to see how far they can be thrown, because that's quite weighty. It's just a decent weight for throwing. You know you've got that in your pocket. It's quite weighty. So that's Damp Sam signing off. He's going to get his new phone. So next time you see me, I'll be in 4K. And A-OK. See you later.